Hey everyone, how are you all doing? So let's start today's vlog with this breathtaking morning view. See the rosy view of sun's rays give a perfect vibe and perfect positivity to start today's vlog, which spreads across the whole mountain and across the whole trees. It's really a perfect morning to start today's vlog calmly and freely. So let's go inside and start our day. This morning I made halwa of carrot. Just looking so tempting, so captivating, so delicious. So let's sweeten your mouth, darling. What a style.
मस्त है डिलीशियस
Thank you. So I am all set and good to go. Let me wear sign.
ऑल द बेस्ट
Dano.
हैप्पी जर्नी
Thank you so much.
बाय 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 ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you so much.
Bye. All that.
Thank you so much, darling. Bye. Bye, Nu. Bye.
बाय बाय
Bye.
Have lots of fun, darling.
आज हम लोग छुट्टी में ले रही छुट्टी
She's on leave again today.
आज लोग की छुट्टी हो गया अब
No.
अब कौन है कहाँ आ रही है हम
3 days are left.
नहीं अनु
Bye bye.
बाय
So, yes, I'm on the way to school, and today it feels like I'm forgetting something. Can you guess why am I feeling like that? Because today Anubha is not coming with me, and I have a habit to hold her hands every day in morning whenever I go somewhere or go to school. Meet with Asauri, one of my favorite students and neighbor also. Asauri, could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Asavri and I study in class 6th A and my school name is Holy Wisdom School
Holy Wisdom School.
and she is my favorite teacher.
And she is also my favorite student. I'm not saying this only in front of camera, but she is actually. After coming back from school, I had something, and now I am on route just to get dry the laundry. See, my life has become so busy, as busy as a honeybee. So I can say I am a honeybee nowadays. So I am on roof, as I told you, to get dry the laundry. Today my husband had to go his school, otherwise he would have been done laundry. Look at here, some construction work is going on. That's why background is so messy. So our grandfather, our landlord, is doing some repairing work here. So I would say they are refurbishing this floor. If I talk about today's weather, it's quite fine. In afternoon, it feels like summer season is going on, but in mornings and in evenings, it feels too cold. Okay, let me show you a little glance of today's weather. It's been a long time since I showed you a view from top. Alright, so let's enjoy. See the beautiful sun rays, and the sun is shining brightly. It looks so pleasant, so stunning, doesn't it? Look there. Okay, let me show you the condition of our roof also. See, there are sacks and some soil is there, some sand is there, and look at that net. So it's so sandy, I would say. Whenever I come on roof, I get petrified, or I would say I get afraid of monkeys, but today I'm safe because there are no monkeys. Looking on that roof, there are two dogs looking towards me. They are also basking in the sunlight, enjoying sunbathing. Let me take you from this side, but before that, I need to check on this tree. Maybe there may be any monkey. Okay, it's fine, there is no monkey. So let's go to this side. You know what happens to me? One day I was standing here and I was unaware about monkeys. They were on tree. So I was making vlog from here and suddenly a monkey pounced on me, and that time I was very petrified. Look, there our aunt is doing some work, and look at that tree of sweet lime that is called Malta in our local language. Locally we call Malta, but I'm not sure, but it is known by sweet lime in English. Can you spot there? There are so many trees of sweet lime. Just look at beautiful treat of all the trees for the humans. See my stool. I'm sitting on this upside down bucket because the construction work is going on, so I can't sit on floor or on these pillars, because these pillars and the floor, it is totally wrapped up with soil or sand. So if I try to sit on these pillars and on floor, so my clothes will get filthy. So I don't want to sit, and I want my, you know, cloth spick and span. That's why I managed this bucket. I kept this bucket upside down and sat on this. Best way to sit, manage. So I'm so tricky, I would say. Sometimes I play some tricks to get rid out of any situation. And right now I'm feeling so nice because I'm soaking up sunlight. So it feels amazing. Some children are playing on their roof, some are flying kites. Sometimes it feels very amazing to see, to observe everything. Today I have a sore throat due to cold, or I would say my voice is throaty today. Throaty voice. You can feel. I saw this broomstick on roof. Maybe our grandfather has left this one. And this one is not a common broomstick. It is all made from grass, and this grass is called babil grass. I'm not sure, but maybe in different region it may be known by the different name. But in my maiden house we called it babil grass. And I vividly remember my grandfather used to make broomstick of this grass, and we used these kind of broomsticks to clean our houses, especially in the, you know, occasion of Deepavali when we clean the houses. So that time we used to use these kind of broomstick. So when I saw this broomstick, I couldn't stop myself with to show you. Okay, so I would say this broomstick makes me remind my childhood days or my grandfather's memory. So let me negotiate with you calmly about this broomstick. These kind of broomsticks are also used to apply paint. Yes, don't be surprised. We used to apply paint these kind of broomstick. The only difference is the size of that broomstick is smaller than this one. And my grandfather used to make these kind of, I would say broomstick or just brass. Okay, we used to apply paint like this. Oh my god. Sorry. Let me share something, guys. It's very hilarious and I find it very funny whenever people of other places sneeze, they just sneeze normally, calmly. Okay, no drama at all. But we Pahadi are totally different. We have our different style. So sneezing is a whole process for us. What we do first, we open our mouth widely. We keep our mouth open towards the sky as if something is falling from above. Okay. Then a big sneeze come. So I would say it is not just a sneeze. It's a performance for us. So for Pahadis, sneeze is not common. It's a performance, right? So I have soaked up enough sunlight. Now let's go inside the room because Anubha and his father will be waiting for me or not. What happened? I'm facing the same problem. Look, guys, I was sitting outside. What do you want to say? What do you want? Drink? Wine? What do you want? Drink? Wine? I could not understand. Tea? What? Tea? So you can just simply say tea. Just three letters words. Tea. For for that he is saying that means crush some uh, ginger and make tea for me. So yes, I'm here. So guys, let's end today's vlog. I hope you have enjoyed this video, this vlog. I have to go in kitchen to make tea for him. So let's end today's vlog. Let's wrap up today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video, this vlog, and you will pour your love on us. Thank you so much for watching video with me. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. We'll meet you soon with a new vlog. Till then, keep watching our channel. Thanks for watching.